Hey everyone, welcome to Bear's Workshop. In today's video we're going to be doing a vlog on the backyard progress. We've been working on this for well over 6 months now. This is a build your own pool project and we're going to go ahead and take a quick spin here. What you're seeing behind me though is a wall that didn't exist, a gate that didn't exist, and we're going to take a quick spin and we're going to show you everything that we've done so far. I'm walking backwards, hopefully I don't fall. And this was all dirt when we started, just plain old Arizona dirt. So we're going to take a quick look around. We're going to see everything that we've done, everything that we still need to do, and how far we've made it. So let's take a look, and we're going to see right here we're working on our travertine deck. Me and a buddy of mine, we're laying this down ourselves. He's got experience, I'm more of a helper, and then I'm using one of my employees to help us on this also. So we are putting down travertine in this odd pattern, which is slowing us down, but we're getting it all done. And here we've got the pool, which is nearly done. We've got the pebble tech is scheduled for about 2 weeks from now, and we're going to have everything sprayed, and from there we're going to be able to fill it up with water. Doesn't mean the rest of this project is done. As we look around here, we've got a deck jet right here. Let's see if I can get that, show you that here. This is going to be a deck jet. We got to get a tool to cut out for that deck jet. We've got 5 of them around the pool. We've got this right here, which this is something I really like. This is something that instead of the round plastic covers that you might see, this replaces it. This goes to the skimmer basket, and this comes up just like this, and that way you don't have the plastic skimmer, and it looks just like the travertine that comes out. And we're going to do a video on how to put one of those in. I really like those. We've got one for each skimmer, and then one for the pool filler. This is a future project, but we've already got it started. This is going to be our sunken bar. Inside the sunken bar we do have a pump, and so if it ever fills up with water, but we're going to put the floor in, we're going to use travertine, and we're going to put some sort of gazebo that we're going to make over this. And around the back here, see, we still have cut pieces of travertine line all around, but back here we have all of our pool equipment. We've got we're using Pentair products, and we're going to be putting actuators on here. This actuator's on here. This one goes to the deck jets. I've got 2 more actuators, so we can use them by remote control off of the phone. And I'm not even sure where they go yet, because I don't know which line, whether this one goes for the pool cleaning system, or we've got some floor jets that we have in our Baja Deck. So one of them goes there, and one of them I think just turns on the pump. So we're going to have different actuators for that. Those need to be installed, which I'll be doing. Never done it before, so I'll probably do something wrong, and maybe we're going to make a video on that also. As we walk around the pool, around the back, over here is another deck jet right here, and that's going to just spray into the pool, along with one over there, one over there, one over there. So we're just going to be working on the getting the travertine in and installed around it. We've got a deck, or not a deck, a sitting place right there, and that pipe coming out, this pipe right here, is for a future project. It's a 3-inch pipe. We're going to eventually put in some sort of rock waterfall, and that's going to hang over that sitting area right there. But we don't have the funds right now to do that, so we got it pre-plumbed so we can do it at a later time. Over there's our Baja Deck. You can see we've got 1 step going in, and then we've got 2 lights those are the ones covered in red, and they will be shooting up water also. So water and LED lights inside of that. We've got our steps over here, and we've got some bar stools that we've got over here. We've got a skimmer on the left and a skimmer on the right. Hopefully that keeps the pool clean. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other things that we've got going on here. Okay, so here's another thing that we just did recently. We've got we put in a gazebo over our hot tub, so we can see that is all done. That was completed this week, and right next to it we have our sunken in trampoline, and that we probably should have waterproofed a little bit better. That's been a bit of a hassle because when it rains, the water's been filling up there, so we're working on changing the grading so it doesn't fill up, because all the water was seeping into there and we don't have a pump in there. So that hot tub, you can see, that's an older hot tub that we've had for a while. We're probably going to eventually replace it, but this was going to do for now. Probably I need to straighten out the panels, but the thing works great. Everything, got a couple broken pieces of plastic, things like that, but it's a nice little hot tub. Does its thing. Coming around here, that's where we're going to put another one of those covers right there. There's one that's not been installed, but just fitted to where it's going to go. That's where the pool filler is, right there. And we've got a deck jet next to it, so we've still got a couple more things to do with getting the travertine over there, but we're working our way over there. Going into the pool over here, you can see we've got a little bit of float already done, for we're going to be putting 1-inch tile, which we have somewhere. That's going to be where a turtle mosaic is going to be, with a couple little turtles floating after it. And we've got some dolphins that we're going to be putting up around the light. Those mosaics are also going to go up this week. Has to go up before we put the pebble sheen in. And then we've got some 1-inch tile that we're putting up on the steps over here also. So coming over here, we've got this is going to be our place for our fire pit. We got a portable one sitting there right now, but we're going to dig out a fire pit, put some block in there, and then we'll bring up the travertine to this, so that we have a nice little fire pit, nice sitting area. This travertine over here in the corner, got a little bit of dog poop. Maybe should have picked that up, huh? The travertine is going to come all the way to the corner. We've got a little stub out right there. We're going to we have a water line that's all set up right there, so we're going to have a little bit of a shower, so that we can rinse off either the dogs or ourselves. And then the travertine here, haven't decided if we're going to go all the way to the wall, maybe not. It just depends on how things go and how much travertine we have left over. If we don't go to the wall, we're just going to put in some plants, put in a water line, and then put in some plants. If we do go all the way to the wall, then we just have more sitting area. You can see this is where we stopped, right on this edge right here. We still haven't done the finish work on it yet. But that's where our edge is going, all the way to the wall, or maybe up to about 3 feet for plants. So progress is moving right along. Really enjoying the stress of this. Actually, that's not true. The stress is horrible. Making sure everything gets done. The contractors that we've had out here doing what they need to do. A lot of them have not done what they've needed to do, and you have to call them back out, trying to get things done right. But we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. We're going to have this pool filled in a couple of weeks, so I'm pretty excited about that. After the pebble tech gets put in, all I have to do is put in the cleaner heads. Wherever there's a red dot there, we've got to put in the cleaning heads, and I got to run the lights through here back to that box, and that should be fun. I've never run a wire that long, but I'll be able to figure it out, or I'll look it up on YouTube. Someone will show me how to do it. It shouldn't be that hard. But anyway, this is our progress so far on the pool, on the backyard. We're still never going to finish it all this year, because we still have to have it in the budget to finish the Sunken Bar. That's not going to happen this year, but I've got a big head start on it, so I can kind of do piecemeal here and there. Maybe I can pick up some different parts and materials cheap as I'm going along and start working on it. But this is our progress to date. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and you can see more of the bits and pieces as we put this together. Thanks for watching.